Astrophotography can sometimes be very frustrating. After a completely disastrous night of trying to image the Iris Nebula, I decided to try and slew over to the Horsehead Nebula to try and salvage my evening. Well, by this time it was about 2:30 in the morning, and at this particular time of the year, the Horsehead Nebula will dip down below the trees after about 2 hours. So 2 hours is about all I was able to get. Well, based on the 2 hours, the initial results were relatively promising. I plan on coming back and adding more data to this target as soon as the weather and the circumstances are permitting, and do a complete and proper processing of this image. But the initial results that I've got tell me that probably with a few more hours, I should really have a pretty decent image once it's captured and processed. Well, I just thought I would do a very short video on this, and as always, until next time, and clear skies.